So hey, what's up guys, welcome back in my new video. So guys, in this video we are going to see that the world's highest level player Infabitus ID has been got banned. So we are going to see in this video why it got banned and when it will be unbanned. So every information I'll give in this video. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So point number 1, the doubt about Infabitus got banned. Why did he got banned? So guys, I am not in a partner program or I don't have contact with any partner program creators, so I can tell you exactly why he got banned. So I am telling that what the knowledge I have means he can be got banned by Garina's rule is if that ID uses any script, any glitch file or any hack, the ID will be got banned. Who will use, guys? You guys think that he has the 97 level ID, he's going to reach 100 very soon, so no one will do that. Any stupid works in that so much big ID, so he may not be using hack. So because of some reasons he may got be banned. Like Garina have got a doubt that how can he push so much EXP per day, like 40,000 to 50,000 EXP he pushes per day. So Garina may thought that the human is not playing the game, he has set some bot to play the game. So Garina has got the doubt, and to check the review they have banned the ID. Guys, I think you are understanding. Yeah, so Garina have got a doubt on him that he is using some bots to level up, so Garina may be banned. Garina has a rule that first their ID, before they send to review the ID what they have, it will be banned first. Guys, think that the ID will be banned first, after that they send the ID for the reviewing. Means they watch everything what is used in the ID. And guys, you can also even ask me that how Daddy Calling account got unbanned very soon. So I'll tell you that why Daddy Calling got unbanned very fast and Infabitus has still not got unbanned. So now let's just speak that how Daddy Calling ID got unbanned very fast. So guys, Daddy Calling has the support of higher creators in India. So they reported to Garina like this, his ID has banned, please unban it. So they reviewed very fast and they unbanned it very soon, Daddy Calling's ID. So when we come to the Infabitus ID's matter, so even he has supports of creators like Nobru, etc, etc. So guys, even they are trying, so it will be unbanned fast. I think guys, or 1 or 2 weeks it will be unbanned very soon. So let's see what happens. So guys, let's come towards the point number 3, how we may get unbanned and when will he get unbanned. So he will be getting unbanned soon, where how every creators are supporting him, means only 1 or 2 creators are supporting, the others who are still pushing the level means they got some aim on him, and they're thinking that he may be used hack, and some creators are like this that oh no, we should not let him to go forward, we must grow and we must grow our level very fast, so they're not coming forward to support him. So no guys, it's not like this. Everyone will support, everyone will see. So even from India some players will support them like Binzed Gaming, and even some partner program creators will support him, and he will get unbanned soon guys. I think in a 2-3 days his ID will get review and he will be unbanned soon. So no need of taking tension. Again, he will be the first ID to cross 100 level. And guys, one more guy he's from Portuguese and he has 96 level. I think he may push to 97, but he can't beat Infabitus guys. Let's see what happened. Everything will be in front of us. I'll be updating you. So thank you guys for watching my full video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe guys, like, share for everyone, so even they get the news of InfoBetters and be updated. So I'll meet up you in the next video guys. So till then, bye.